Meal Planner Recipes is an Android application designed to assist users in organizing their meals and exploring new recipes. This app offers a comprehensive platform for planning weekly or monthly meal schedules, making it easier for individuals and families to maintain a balanced and healthy diet. Users can browse through a vast library of recipes, which often includes categories for various dietary preferences, such as vegetarian, gluten-free, and keto. Each recipe typically comes with step-by-step instructions, nutritional information, and user reviews, enhancing the cooking experience. In addition to recipe exploration, the app allows users to create shopping lists based on their meal plans, ensuring they have all the necessary ingredients on hand. The meal planner feature helps in tracking food intake, promoting mindful eating habits. Meal planner recipes often includes customization options, enabling users to save their favorite recipes and adapt meal plans according to personal preferences or dietary restrictions. Overall, this app serves as a valuable tool for anyone looking to simplify meal preparation, discover new culinary ideas, and maintain a healthy lifestyle.